Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a stay-at-home mom or dad looking for ways to earn extra income without sacrificing precious time with your loved ones, please stay tuned and watch this video till the end as I share with you 3 business ideas that you can do in the comfort of your home, in your backyard, comfortably, and you are going to earn lots of money. So guys, if you are interested, please just sit back and relax, and let's dive right into the video. The number one business idea that I have on my list is selling of crunchy snacks. Imagine turning your backyard into a crunchy snack paradise where you start selling some like potato chips and using this amazing machine that you can get from China. It is very, very easy to use. It's going to make it look as if like all those potato chips that they import, the way it is chopped. So when you get this machine, it's going to make it easier for you to do your business comfortably in your backyard. And guess what, guys, you can actually get the packaging that you can be using to package them to make it very unique and attractive to your customers. This same packaging I'm showing you right now, you can also get them from China, very, very affordable, and you can also customize them so it will make your business very unique and irresistible. So guys, this is a business you should try out, guys. So let's move on to the number 2. Number 2, selling of ice cream in your backyard. Yes, you heard me right. You can actually start selling ice cream in your backyard with this mini ice cream making machine that you can buy from China. It is very affordable. You don't need to break the bank to afford this machine. And guess what, guys, you can also buy this ice cream cone that you can be using. See, people around you, kids love ice cream a lot. So when they learn that you are selling ice cream cone right in in your backyard, guy, they are going to start rushing you. They're going to start rushing you. So guys, this is a business you should try out, and you're going to make lots of money from it. So let's get into the number 3. Hi guys, before we continue in this video, please, if you like what you're seeing already, please click on the like button. Okay, thank you. And if it's your first time here, consider subscribing. If you want to see more of my content, subscribe to this channel and also drop comments right now. Thank you. So let's continue. Number 3, selling of fresh juice in your backyard. I know you like this one. Imagine turning your backyard into fresh juice oasis. How does it sound? Where you squeeze out nutritious and tasty juices using this mini juicer that you can buy from China. Very, very affordable, and you sell it to healthy, conscious clients. People will start rushing you. They'll be like, oh my God, I don't know. Everybody has refrigerators, right? So all you need is just to get this machine. And if you need packaging, I'll also show you some packaging that you can also get from China that you can be using to package it, for these people. When they come, you serve them, people will start rushing you. Your neighbors, they love fresh juices. You start cashing out back to back in your backyard. And guess what, guys, keep watching this video because I'm going to be sharing with you some marketing strategies for each of the businesses. So please, if you have not liked this video yet, please click on the like button and subscribe. Let's continue, guys. So guys, if you don't want your business to be limited to your backyard, you want it to span across the area, a lot of people, you want people in your community to know that you also sell something like this in your backyard, and you want to do maybe home delivery. You can take advantage of social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook. Everybody has Facebook page, Instagram page. On your status, you can start posting it for them to see, to showcase your delicious chips and interact with potential customers. And you can also partner with local businesses around you to offer your chips as an add-on to their menu, so that whenever they need, they can, call on you, or as a snack for their events. People do events around, so when they know you are into something like this, they will surely, contact you for you to deliver, snacks to them. So for the ice cream marketing strategy, you can create a fun, engaging brand identity that appeals to families and kids. Kids love ice cream, and you can offer them ice cream making workshops, especially when they are on holidays. You can offer them ice cream making workshops and partner with local cafes or restaurants to offer your ice cream as a dessert, or like that. So you are going to cash out in this way. So as for the fresh juice marketing strategy, you can just talk to your people, emphasize on the health benefits of fresh juice. When you can just go to the market, get all these fresh juice, let people see you, offloading them in your house, and they will know that, okay, this person is actually, squeezing out the juice from the bananas, from the watermelon, from the pineapple, from grapes and all that, and people would rush you. And you can also offer juice tasting and workshops to educate customers about the benefits of fresh juice. You can also partner with local gyms around you, yoga studios, to offer your juice as a post-workout snack. You see, so people are going to be like, maybe whenever they are going to the gym, they will call you, hey, please, can you supply us some fresh squeezed juice you made this morning? So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you like these 3 simple business ideas that I shared with you today. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with people who might be thinking of, oh my god, what kind of business can I do in my home that will make me some money? Even if it's small change, it's better than nothing. Yes, better than nothing. And if you want to order any of these products that I shared with you, please send me a DM on Instagram. You can find the links to all my social medias and platform in the comments. So check them and click on them. It will take you to my DM. Then we can discuss on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. So guys, and also you can learn how to import from China by yourself without an agent. Click on the importation playlist in my channel for you to access a lot of videos that will help you to navigate how to go about China importation. And if you need a one-on-one training or mentorship, please don't hesitate to send me a DM. I'm available, to take you on China importation trainings. Okay, thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Yes, a lot of videos are coming your way. Please stay tuned, subscribe if you don't want to miss my videos. Thank you once again. See you in my next video.